Welcome to another blast from the past video from Scale Auto Guy's Workbench. In today's video, I'm sharing this 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner by Revell. This kit was built during my very last deployment while I was still active duty Navy. At the time, I was deployed to the Mediterranean Sea as part of an LCU crew attached to a Marine Expeditionary Unit. The year was 2001. This kit was available for sale in 2000, so I picked this up before I left on the cruise, along with an ammo can full of paint, glue, an X-Acto knife, my first airbrush, some brushes, bare metal foil, and a hope that I could get it finished by the time I would get back to the States. My shipmates at the time thought I was crazy, but I spent the little free time that I had working on this kit. Also, I still have the airbrush too. It was one of those, the first Testors brand airbrushes that attach to a can of air, or through an adapter you could hook it to a full-size compressor, which we had one on the LCU, so I used that to do my airbrushing. Looking back, it was kind of silly of me to be out there on the deck of that LCU airbrushing a model kit, but this has been a lifelong hobby for me, and it was better than wasting my money on booze. You know, when you hit port, you go buy booze, you go buy food, you go buy little trinkets and things for your family. I was on a budget, so I spent my time building this. And I also had one or two other kits with me. I don't remember what they were. It'll come back to me eventually. So this build has no clear coat on it, because back then I never thought about adding such a frivolous additive to my paint or to my builds. The paint, this was a custom mix of red, orange, and a touch of yellow. I was shooting for a Hemi orange and totally missed the mark, but I liked the color and I just went with it. This is the only kit that I have in my entire collection that the bare metal foil has tarnished on it. I can only think that it might possibly be due to the exposure of the salt air while I was out sailing around on the sea. This car went into its display case as soon as I returned home. And I gotta tell you, those display cases are a savior. During the times that I moved, any parts that had come free stayed in the case so that I could reattach them to the car. And as a bonus, they also help protect from dust and dander and animal hair and whatever else. So it helps protect your paint. So back when I was buying these, I bought a bunch of them way back then, and they were like $5 a piece. And the kits were $7 or $8, depending on where you purchased them at. Nowadays, these cases go nearly $18 a piece. So I don't buy very many of those anymore unless I can catch them on sale someplace. Well, this video is done, and I hope that you enjoyed my history of this build with you. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up, hype, and share buttons. Share this video with your friends. All of this helps the YouTube algorithm to share my content. If you have any questions or comments, As usual, please write those in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to respond to you as soon as possible. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, or if you like, you can drop me a line at scaleautoguy@gmail.com. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching another Blast from the Past video from Scale Auto Guy's Workbench, and I'll see you on the next Blast from the Past.